Hello everyone, this is John, and today I'm reviewing a BC Master 2-in-1 phone lens kit. This kit is available from Amazon for $22.97. Straight out of the box you have the manual and this handy little case. It's a semi-hard carrying case. It unzips like this, and then inside you have your lens and the clip that you screw it onto, clip on the camera. It's supposed to have a cleaning cloth, but mine didn't come with that. So you might be wondering, if it's a 2-in-1 lens kit, where's the other lens? Well, you take the lens covers off like this, and the lenses are screwed together. So if you want to use the wide angle lens, you take this whole assembly and screw it onto the clip like this, and then it clips over the lens of your phone like this, and you want to make sure that the lens is centered over the phone lens. Otherwise you're going to get little black edges around the side and it doesn't look very good. The first thing you'll notice is that it's pretty heavy, and it makes the phone a little harder to handle. So how heavy is it, you ask? It's 5.5 ounces. Now keep in mind, this is the full lens. It's the macro and the wide angle put together, which is how you get to use the wide angle feature of this kit. To access the macro lens, you unscrew the wide angle portion off the top like this. And just to give you an idea, that top portion is giving us most of the weight, because when you weigh the macro and clip by itself, it's only 2.2 ounces. So over the years I've received a lot of questions about how are you able to get such close-ups, especially during product reviews, and this is the trick. I use macro lenses on my iPhone. So we're going to take a look at the macro lens performance in this kit first, since that's what I use most of the time. My iPhone has a minimum focal distance of about 3 inches, so a picture as close as I can get without a macro lens looks like this. The macro lens allows you to bring the phone a lot closer to your subject, a distance of about 1 inch or maybe a little less than 1 inch, and it also has a magnification factor, so you can take a shot with a macro lens like this and you can see it's already a lot closer than the naked lens, right, with no modifications. You can enlarge this then to 200 or 300 or even 400%, and what you've done now is you've taken something in real life. This is an N-scale caboose, and the logo on it is maybe 1/4 inch, and if you have a large monitor, you could take that 1/4 inch logo and suddenly it's a whole lot bigger than that. So you can really pick out the smallest details. The wide angle lens is not something that I will use often, but it's a great feature to have included with this kit, because you never know when you're going to be out taking some kind of a nice panoramic shot and you want it to be a little bit wider. So one of the great things about this kit is that the inside of the wide angle lens is threaded, and it will fit 58mm lens filters like this Polariser. I like to use polarizers because they saturate your colors a little bit more when you have direct sunlight. I put my phone on a tripod so that I can show you the exact same shot without the wide angle lens and with it. And as you can see, it does give you a little bit more. So here's a video of the same shot, and I'm going to carefully put the wide angle lens over, and you can see it does give you a bit more in the picture. I think this is a really nice kit. It has a lot of great features, especially that 58mm thread on the wide angle. I really like that because you can attach a lot of different filters if you have them and do a lot more with your photography or videography, as it were. I like the macro lens in this kit a lot more than the one that I've been using because it reduces the amount of distortion around the edge of the picture. So from now on, I think the close-ups you see in our videos are most likely going to be coming from this lens. So I'm going to give this kit a solid 10 out of 10. It's good on value and it's good on function.